In this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on Windows 11. So let's get started. Launch the Edge web browser. Select the search bar and enter Google Chrome. After that, press enter. The search will start. In the search results, click on the link leading to the Google Chrome website. A page will open where we can download the web browser. You can allow or disable the sending of statistics regarding the use of your Google Chrome web browser. I wouldn't want to do this, so I'll uncheck it. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, click on the Download Chrome button. After a while, the download should start automatically. In my case, this did not happen, so I will click on the Download Chrome manually link. After the download is complete, click on the downloaded file. The installation of Google Chrome web browser will start. Once the installation is complete, the web browser will automatically launch and create a shortcut on your computer's desktop. Thank you for watching.